Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to our channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we've got a face-off between two mini flying machines, the Ford DRC V4 mini foldable drone and the Techwonderz drone with camera. It's like watching two tech-savvy birds fighting over the last piece of Wi-Fi. So, buckle up and let's dive into the nitty-gritty. First up, let's talk about the price. On the left, we've got the Ford DRC V4 Mini, coming in at a budget-friendly $89. On the right, the Techwonderz is flexing its wings at $129. For that extra $40, you could probably buy a decent meal, or, half a tank of gas these days. So if your wallet is tighter than your skinny jeans, the Ford DRC might already have your attention. Next, let's zoom in on the cameras. Both drones boast 1080p HD cameras, but the Techwonderz is throwing some serious shade with its dual cameras and 90 degrees rotation. It's like having eyes at the back of your head. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC V4 Mini also offers a 90 degrees adjustable camera, but only the one. Reviewers of the Ford DRC V4 Mini mention that while the camera is good for basic recording, it does have some limitations in image quality. Conversely, the Techwonderz receives high praise for its image quality, making it ideal for those looking to capture better footage. Now, let's talk flight time. The Ford DRC V4 Mini gives you a solid 26 minutes of airtime with its two modular batteries. That's enough to hover over your neighbor's barbecue and make them wonder if they've been abducted by aliens. But Techwonderz isn't just hovering around, it's soaring with an impressive 50 minutes of flight time. Reviewers of the Ford DRC V4 Mini note that the battery life is decent, but can be somewhat limiting for extended use. On the other hand, Techwonderz users appreciate the long flight time, which allows for more extended aerial adventures. For all you drone rookies out there, both drones are beginner-friendly. The Ford DRC V4 Mini comes with one key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and 3 speeds. It's like the training wheels of drones. Reviewers find it easy to set up and use, making it suitable for kids and beginners. The Techwonderz, however, goes a step further with obstacle avoidance and an intuitive U-Point X design. Reviews highlight how easy it is to fly and maneuver, even for newbies. So if you're prone to flying your drone into the family cat, Techwonderz might be your best bet. And now for the bells and whistles. The Ford DRC V4 Mini pulls out some cool tricks like 3D flips, gravity control, and even VR compatibility. It's like a tiny circus in the sky. On the other hand, Techwonderz isn't just sitting pretty, it offers 360 degrees flips, waypoint functions, and gesture controls. Imagine waving at your drone like a wizard and it snaps your pic. Techwonderz is basically the Gandalf of drones. Reviewers love the extra features on both drones, but Techwonderz stands out for its advanced capabilities. Lastly, let's talk about durability and portability. The Ford DRC V4 Mini is super drop resistant and has a full guard to protect those tiny propellers, making it perfect for kids or clumsy adults. It's also foldable, so you can shove it in your backpack and take it on your next hike. Reviewers note that while it feels plasticky, it can withstand a few bumps and crashes. Techwonderz, on the other hand, doesn't specifically brag about its toughness, but it's got that sleek, foldable design, too. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight and compact nature, though it may not be as rugged as the Ford DRC V4 Mini. So if you're rough on your toys, Ford DRC might just edge out here. Summing up the reviews, the Ford DRC V4 mini foldable drone is praised for being affordable, easy to use, and durable, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. However, it has some limitations in camera quality and battery life. The Techwonderz drone with camera, while pricier, is lauded for its superior camera quality, longer flight time, and advanced features, making it a better option for those looking to invest in a more capable drone. So there you have it, folks. The Ford DRCV4 mini foldable drone is budget-friendly, durable, and great for beginners. The Techwonderz drone with camera, though pricier, offers longer flight time, dual cameras, and some seriously cool, techie features. Which one tickles your fancy? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.